Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Kamar yadda dai kuka ga wannan Doris din ne take magana, aka yadda take maganan GCV da mun gaya muku kuka leka cikin blockchain din duk wani abu technically ma an riga da an kammala shi ne gaskiyan magana. Kuma iya code duk inda za ka ga darajar pi 314159 ne abin da yake buga kan blockchain kenan. Sai dai kawai ba sake abun ba shi ne maganar da take yi. Ya kamata a yarda da tafiyan ko team wurin ƙarfafa musu gwiwa da kuma yaɗa asalin labaruka da gaskiya da sauransu. To shi ne zancen da take yi. Ga wanda ma suke jin sunanta ne kawai da, to yau ga bidiyon ta kenan sai ku kalla ku ƙaru da shi. Amma pi addu'a kawai fa yanzu ya rage mu ta yi da kuma tunanin Allah ya kawo alkhairin ka ƙudurci niyyan gudanar da abin arziki shi ne kawai rage. Amma ba wancan maganan GCV ya yiwu kuwa an riga da an wuce maganan GCV an riga da an wuce shi. Wancan tsohon labari ne shi ne gaskiyan magana. Mun kakkawo muku hujjoji dai kuna ga masu bibiya kuna ta gani. Sai mu yi addu'a Allah ya bamu cikakken nasara shi ne gaskiyan magana. Ya sa wannan dukiyar ta ta samu a cikin ƙoshin lafiya da imani. Kuma duk yadda za a juya Allah ya bar mu da imanin mu da kuma sayyidina Rasulullahi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wannan kawai shine iya fatan mu. Allah ya bamu sa'a. Amma congratulations Pioneer. Shirye-shiryen ba yawa abin da ya rage. Ba yawa abin da ya rage insha Allah.
Hello, Global Pioneers. Dear Global Pioneers, happy Sunday. How are you doing? Right now, I'm in the library, my condo library. There's nobody here. It's very peaceful. So I'm thinking to take a video for you to see how everyone is doing, and I want to address some concerns pioneers you have. First of all, I want to let you know GCV has been successful already, even though some pioneers still don't believe it. They still argue with it. I just laugh. Okay, so it's very important to be humble. Okay, when you want to know something, you must be calm down and steady. Self-improvement is very important. Because I know some of them, they argue, they still fight against GCV because they have the wrong concept. They don't know what is their mistakes. They didn't read my article. But right now, no matter if someone agree or against it, it doesn't matter because it has been in the code already. So I know many pioneers want to ask why it's still not activated. Why it's not showing GCV has been accepted? Okay, I want to let you know timing. This is timing. When the timing is not correct, it is not a time to announce it. But it doesn't mean it didn't happen. It happened, just you don't know. Actually, in our life, a lot of things is the same. So you see some inside information. Someone they know inside information, probably they in the stock market, they earn money. So this is the information gap. Okay, some people they know because they smart maybe, or maybe they have the good knowledge, or maybe they have the inside information. So here is the same thing. We see that already, the code, we have seen that, and also based on institutional level and retailer level, all has been fixed already by GCV. Okay, there is no other option for Pi Network to realize its vision. So please don't have doubt. Doubt will make yourself have a lot of worries, anxiety. There is no need. You just waste your energy. It's not good to always worry something, okay? I just want to let you rest assured, full of confidence. Actually, we don't need everyone to contribute a lot because I have 65 million pioneers. It's impossible for all of you will participate or contribute to the community. But as long as if you can acknowledge, can accept what I said, you will be very happy to volunteer in our community to take care of the group well, and also post the positive information and repost our information because it's a help yourself. Okay, so right now the thing is you just be calm down. If you don't have a job, you still need to look for a job because we still don't know what will happen when it will activate. Okay, we need to give the core team 100% trust because they will take everything well. When they don't announce it, that means they still have something not done yet. But from our side, we can see from economic side, it has been confirmed already. From technical side, we can see confirmed already. But it doesn't mean everything is ready. Probably they have regulation part. They probably have compliance part because it's very complicated, related to more than 100 countries, related to a lot of fiat currency reserve. So we should trust the core team, give them the time, and to live happily during this time because we are on a road to succeed. Okay, so I just want to let you to say hi to you. I hope everyone uh, enjoy your life, to be happy, and find a job if you don't have right now, and also sleep well. As I said, to do some exercise, make yourself strong, physically strong, mentally strong, and help yourself keep a very good energy community because the community is very important, not only before our fully open minded, after fully open minded. Actually, we still need this community because we have a lot of information that the pioneers has belongings. They or yourself, okay, you can see yourself belong to our community. You have a chance, opportunity to do a lot of work. This work will help you improve yourself. Okay,